How to customize your DOLA Pro with a first metatarsal cutout. The first metatarsal cutout is a full thickness cutout or aperture in the forefoot of the orthotic at the first metatarsal head. In this video, we will show you how to complete a first metatarsal cutout in clinic. A cutout involves the marking of the first metatarsal head position on the orthotic device. This involves marking 3 landmarks when weight bearing. Step 1. Use a pen or lipstick to identify and mark the metatarsal head on the foot. Mark the posterior metatarsal head border, the anterior metatarsal head border, and the interdigital space 1 to 2. Step 2. Using the point for the interdigital space 1 to 2, transpose a mark for the lateral border of the first metatarsal head between the anterior and posterior points. Connect the 3 points in a semicircle to mark the metatarsal head size and weight-bearing position on the orthotic. You now have your area marked as a guideline for grinding. The aim of grinding is to remove the orthotic shell material within the guideline semicircle. Using scissors, cut the orthotic along your guideline and remove the central material. Holding the orthotic shell proximal and distal to the grinding area, place the dorsal surface of the orthotic shell against the edge of the grinder. Flexing the orthotic will allow easier access to your grinding mark and will protect you from grinding unwanted areas including the heel cup. Taper the posterior edge of your cut mark as it transitions from the medial arch and blend the other edges as required. The grind can be smoothed with sandpaper or a Dremel. Alternatively, the edges can be smoothed with a handheld Dremel grinder or a burr attachment on a clinical drill. A first metatarsal cutout is used to improve sagittal plane function including first MPJ function and plantarflexion of the first ray, functional hallux limitus, windlass mechanism, propulsion, and promote high gear toe-off. Can also be used to accommodate a rigid plantarflex first metatarsal and address tissue stress pathologies including HAV, first metatarsal cuneiform exostosis, hypokeratosis, plantar fascia pathologies, and lesser metatarsal head pathologies. Fit customizations can be performed on the entire DOLA Pro range. If you don't have a grinder, the Pro Fit and Pro Light are popular low-profile options. For the latest open access education and training, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And be sure to download our advanced customization manual at dolaorthotics.com. To access more of our videos, please follow the links, and we look forward to supporting you in your clinical practice.